Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to sign in to Xfinity account. Please make sure to watch this video in its entirety so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright guys, open up any web browser on your mobile device. I'm going to use Google Chrome. And then head on over to Google. And then type in Xfinity login. Make sure you spell it correctly there. And then what you want to do is sign into Xfinity. Click onto that. Alright, now what you want to do is sign in with your Xfinity ID. You can either accept all these cookies or decline all. I'm going to decline all. Yeah, so add in your email, mobile, or username here and then click on Let's Go. If you have forgotten your Xfinity ID, you can click on Find Your Xfinity ID and then go through the process to finding your ID. So I'll just let you see what this looks like on this page here once it loads. Alright, so let's find your Xfinity ID. So first confirm one of the following details associated with your accounts. So if you're using a mobile phone number, email address, or social security number, click on continue and then go through the process of recovering your ID. Alright, we'll head back. Or if you need to create a new Xfinity ID, click here. Or you can do new to Xfinity, view exclusive offers near you. Alright, so once you've signed in with your Xfinity ID, it'll take you to another page where it says password. Add in your password, and then you'll be logged into your Xfinity account. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.